In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete every other row in Google Sheets. If you've ever needed to clean up your spreadsheets by removing alternate rows, then this guide is for you. Let's walk through the process together, ensuring everything is clear and easy to follow. First things first, you'll need to open Google Sheets. This might seem straightforward, but it's important to make sure you have access to the internet and your Google account is handy. Once you're in Sheets, you'll want to open up the specific document that you're planning to edit. Locate the spreadsheet that contains the data from which you want to delete every other row. Now with your document open, it's time to select the whole data set. You can do this by clicking on the top left corner of your spreadsheet, which selects every cell containing data. This step is crucial because we want to apply changes across the entire set of information. Next, direct your attention to the top menu and click on Data. This section of Google Sheets contains many useful tools for organizing and filtering your data to suit your needs. Once in the Data menu, select the Create a Filter option. This action will add a set of filter controls to the headers of your selected range. With the filters now in place, move over to the filter icon that appears in the first row of one of your columns, preferably the first column. Click on this icon to reveal additional options. In the drop-down menu, choose Filter by Condition. This is where we start customizing our filters to select every other row. Once you click Filter by Condition, you'll be presented with a list of different filtering conditions. By default, it will show None, but we need to change that. Click on None to open up the list, and then select Custom Formula Is. This feature allows us to input a specific formula that will do the trick for deleting alternate rows. The formula you need to enter is eSWA's I7 row. This formula checks each row in your selected range and filters rows based on whether the row number is even. Essentially, it will show only the rows where the row number is an even number, effectively putting a spotlight on every other row. Once the formula is typed into the text box, click OK to apply this filter. You should now see that only the rows with even numbers are displayed. Don't worry about the hidden rows. They haven't been deleted yet. They're just hidden from view for now. The final step is to manually delete the visible rows. Click on the filtered rows, select right-click, and then Delete Selected Rows. By doing this, only the visible rows will be deleted, and when you clear the filter afterwards, every other row will be removed from your spreadsheet. And there you have it. A clean and more manageable spreadsheet. By following these steps, you've effectively deleted every other row in Google Sheets with ease.